Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this ugly wooden bowl into a beautiful home decor piece. I purchased this bowl from a thrift store this weekend for $3. I kept picking it up and putting it back down. I hated the look, but I loved the shape. So I finally decided to just go ahead and get it. By the time I got home, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with the bowl. The first thing I did was remove all the stickers from the bowl. I wanted to be able to use it as a bowl or as a riser. Then I painted it using Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white. I used an old hair dryer to help the paint dry quicker. I had to use 2 coats to get an even coverage. I then rubbed Waverly Antique Wax on the bowl. The wax was a little bit darker than what I wanted, so I took some rubbing alcohol that I had in a spray bottle and sprayed it on the bowl, and then rubbed it off using some napkins. This gave the bowl a ceramic look that I just loved. So, if you ever see an ugly bowl at a thrift store or Goodwill, go ahead and pick it up. I'm sure you will figure out a way to make it beautiful. I added pumpkins and a gnome to the bowl to create this amazing centerpiece. You can find the link for these videos in the description below. This was a simple and easy trash to treasure project. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.